Have you ever imagined how you are given a specific number upon your CNIC in Pakistan? Hello guys, how are you? Hope that you all are fine. In today's video, I am gonna show you that how you are given a specific ID card number as your enrollment in database of Pakistan. So let's get started. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel so that you can get notified when an amazing video will be there. So let's get started, and don't forget to share this video so that others can also know about it. So let's get started. Have you ever thought that how you are given a specific national ID card number? Is it any random number? Have you ever amazed by the fact that how they managed to give you a specific number which becomes your lifetime enrollment in national database of Pakistan? If you really don't know, then just let me tell you these facts. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Let's get started by telling you about NADRA. What is NADRA? NADRA stands for National Database and Registration Authority. After independence of Pakistan, PM Nawabzada Liaquat Ali Khan launched a personal identity system, also known as PIS. It was basically for the immigrants and refugees which were coming from the India, and also for the native people who were already living there. It worked fine until 1971. After separation of East Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh, a new and more efficient identification system was required. But due to some conflicts and some issues, in 1973, a temporary system was introduced which worked till 2000 AD. In 2000 AD, NADRA was formed, and by 2012, over 89 million CNICs had been issued. That was a pretty big number. So now let's get started with your CNIC numbers. CNIC numbers are not just only random numbers. These are your identity in National Database of Pakistan. It consists of 13 numeric digits. Each digit contains a special information about you. 13 digit number come with the 3 sets of numbers. The first set contains 5 digits and holds your living information. The second set consists of 7 numbers, and the last set consists of only a single digit. So let's move towards the first set of digits. In this set, first number indicates your province or your area. For example, 1 is for KPK, 2 is for FATA, 3 is for Punjab, 4 is for Sindh, 5 is for Balochistan, 6 is for Islamabad, and 7 is for Gilgit-Baltistan. Now for second digit, it indicates your division. Third, fourth, and fifth digits denotes your Zila, Tehsil, and Union Councils respectively. So that's how they give you the first set of your numbers according to your area. Now moving towards the second set of your CNIC number. It is a set of 7 numeric digits, and basically it holds information about your family. For example, your family tree can be easily accessed by this information on your CNIC. So this set of numbers is given to you by the reference of your elders already living in your family. For example, it can be either referenced from your mother or from your father. Now moving towards the last digit of your CNIC number. Now that digit is some interesting. It holds information about your gender. The odd digits are used for the men. For example, 1, 3, 5 and 7. And for the females, these numbers are 2, 4, 6 and 8. So guys, that's how you are given your CNIC numbers in National Database of Pakistan. These are not some just random numbers, but very precise information about you. So guys, hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel, share with this your friends so that they also can be entertained with this information. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz.